What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and welcome to another exciting knife unboxing with YouTube's greatest and most efficient knife unboxer. Without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump into it here with the Lady of the Sea. As usual, the packaging stands no chance because this is rainbow steel. I do that every time. I should know. This is one of those packages that has the insulation stuff, and this is why. This is why I have claimed the title of YouTube's greatest unboxer. You think, oh, he probably planned that. No, I legitimately forgot that these packages are like that. So, whatever. Make a mess. I'll just vacuum it up. We have a couple of knives in here. Looks like we've got a CRKT and we've got a Wee knife in here. So, I'm going to go ahead and move a lot of this off the table because these knives were sent to me by a generous viewer, if I remember correctly, and I don't want to get all this dust and junk all over his knife. Super, super nice, excuse me, of him to do that. Excuse me, one more second, guys. Oh, my wife's going to be super upset about that. It went all over the floor. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into these here real quick. Really nice of this gentleman to offer these up for review. Interesting. So, I don't know anything about these knives, but I'm excited to take a look at them nonetheless. So here, let's take a look here. Very cool. Interesting style, interesting pattern on the scales there. This is a, oh, cool. Okay, so this is a button lock, flipper, thumb stud deployer. Obviously, I'll need to get some more information on that to make sure I know exactly what I'm talking about before I review it, but very interesting. Can't wait to talk about that one. Next up, we have a Wee knife in here. Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay. So this was the main intrigue. Wow, that action. Actually, I had to stop talking about what I was talking about to just kind of absorb what I just felt there. Man, that action is incredible. So he was telling me that there are not a lot of reviews on this knife on YouTube, and I took a look at it. I looked at the blade shape, and I thought, you know what? That looks really interesting. I would love to take a look at that. So, really, really cool. I forget, again, the name of this model, but you guys will get all the details when the review comes around. Thank you so much, again, to the gentleman who selflessly offered those up for review. That really means a lot to me. I can't wait to take a look at these. I'm really, really excited about it. But anyways, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check that stuff out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there is definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.